there you have it. There is the Samsung Bespoke Z Flip 4 edition. And I bet you haven't seen that color scheme from Samsung. This is the Z Flip 4. Now, the reason this is really awesome and really important is right now you can actually save over $500 right now doing the Bespoke edition, the one that you see in front of me. That is running for actually only $900 with the double the storage option for free. So you're getting the 256 gigabyte for and then 8 GB RAM for actually $899, which is insane because the normal Z Flip 4 just normally retails for $1,400. So that's pretty awesome. You know, just to cover the quick specs of this phone, because you've probably you've seen this phone and seen the pictures and all that kind of stuff, but before I do that, just take a look at how this phone looks in the hand. This one has a 3-color scheme that I've put on it in terms of customizing for the Bespoke edition, and you can see they've actually also kind of put the wallpaper for the Flip 4 all into the phone. And this one is coming in with 3 color schemes on the back. You've got the regular navy, the white in the middle, and the red at the bottom. That absolutely looks beautiful. And cover the specs really quick. Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 octa-core with an Adreno 730 GPU. It's a 6.7-inch display. It's a 1080p display with the one that you're seeing right now that you're actually going to get for free as an upgrade is the 8 gigabyte RAM with 256 storage option. This phone's got a 3700 milliamp battery, which is all right, I would say, in terms of what it's giving you. It's also IPX8 water resistant. It's got a Super AMOLED display. Looks very vibrant. Now the cameras are a dual 12 megapixel wide and ultra wide camera with a 10 megapixel selfie camera. The display itself is an HDR display, and you can see the camera right now, actually just taking a quick picture of it, seeing how the quality turns out. The phone itself has a face unlock option, like with a lot of phones now, and it's also got the fingerprint scanner on the side on the volume button. So really cool to see. I'm just setting up the phone right now just to get an idea of how responsive it is, how the hardware and the software is optimizing. And the one thing I can tell you right now, holding the phone is really cool, actually. This color scheme, again, makes it really interesting, makes it really poppy, and for people to kind of take a second glance at, as you've seen with the back cover. And yeah, the biggest question that the Z Flips get is, that crease in the middle, right? That crease in the middle. To be honest with you, you kind of see it really well once you first start the phone, and you do feel it on the finger. So it's not going away anytime soon. And obviously, the more you use it, the more crease-like, I guess you could say, it's going to get. And then when I first opened up the phone, actually, it was kind of stiff. You could feel that it's the hinges are brand new, as you can see me bending that. But over the time, that's probably going to fix itself. There's the phone folded in half. And, again, it's a beautiful piece just with that color scheme that you're looking at right now. There's the second display that you have. And you can also customize all those options on the front with widgets, with your timer, with the alarm, with the calendar, with the weather, all that kind of stuff, which is really handy to see if you don't want to always, open up the phone and stuff like that. So there you have it. The phone right now is on a fantastic price, fantastic deal. If you go on Samsung's website, they almost want you to have this phone for free, because if you do a trade-in, it's going to knock off more of the price off the phone, so you can get this as low as it actually advertised, $300. But again, that's going to be trading up quite a hefty phone. So here it is, guys, the Samsung Bespoke Z Flip 4 edition, and I'm going to be testing this phone out. Thanks so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe for more. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.